Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Mary Rose Telara, 41 years old. My previous work in Taiwan as a machine operator from 2008 to 2012. Then I cross-country to work in Canada as a food server from 2012 to 2015. I go back here in the Philippines last 2015 because I need to take care of my children and my parents. I work as a household worker here in the Philippines for almost 2 years. My employer family have 3 children. I do all household work while taking care of the children. I clean, cook, wash, and bath. I want to work in Hong Kong because I need to help my family, especially in their financial needs. I am a trustworthy person, hardworking, and patient. I hope you like me. I will serve you and your family from the best of my ability. Thank you and God bless you.